Matagumpay ang isinagawang turnover of office ng bagong naitalagang Provincial Director na ginanap sa Cagayan Police Provincial Office Parade Ground, Camp Tirso H. Gador, Tuguegarao City, nito lamang 5 ng Setyembre taong kasalukuyan. Ang bagong itinalagang Provincial Director ay si Police Colonel Mardito Anguluan na mula sa Police Regional Office 2 ang nangasiwa sa Regional Personnel and Records Management Division. Dumalo sa naturang programa si Regional Director Christopher Berung kasama ang command group and staff nito, mga hepe at maging mga councilors. Naroon rin ang mga tauhan ng Bureau of Fire Protection, Philippine Navy Marines, Philippine Army, Bureau of Jail Management and Penology at Philippine Coast Guard. Ayon sa bagong direktor, taos-puso ang kanyang pasasalamat sa pagkakataong ipinagkaloob sa kanya. Ang kanyang posisyon ay hindi lamang isang titulo kundi isang seryosong tungkulin na may kaakibat na mabigat na responsibilidad. Nagpahayag naman ng kanyang mensahe si outgoing Provincial Director na si Police Colonel Julio S. Gorospe Jr. na tumukoy sa mahalagang papel ng hanay ng nagsisilbing backbone ng tagumpay sa kanilang layuning pangkapayapaan.
We faced numerous hurdles, but every difficulty was a step towards making a CPO family stronger and more committed serving the Cagayan people of Cagayan. Allow me to extend my deepest gratitude to Command Group, sir, for giving trust and confidence, the provincial staff and all the Chief of Police of CPPO, to my colleagues and the entire POGI, Police of Good Intention team. Your support, commitment, and passion have been instrumental in achieving our shared goals. You have been the backbone of our success, providing the strength, dedication, and professionalism that have enabled to us to achieve remarkable results. To the Chief of Offices and other units heads, your hard work and perseverance have been instrumental in keeping our operation smooth and effective.
Layunin ng nasabing aktibidad na ipagpapatuloy ang mahusay at dekalidad na pamumuno, gayon din ang pagpapanatili ng kaayusan at kapayapaan tungo sa bagong Pilipinas.
Mula dito sa Lambak ng Cagayan, ako ang inyong PNN correspondent, Patrolwoman Balyada, alagad ng batas, tagataguyod ng Balitang Pulis.